I'm here today talking about smart intuition. Intuition is that knowingness where you have not had previous lessons or studies, you just know it. It comes from a part of us with the superconscious mind and should be not contaminated with any belief systems, which will also affect it. There are many, many types of intuition, and most people can utilize it if they practice it. It's like a muscle. The problem arises when a person is using their intuitive sense way too much. And by that time, they're feeling what the world feels, they feel what their neighbors feel. It can be overwhelming for them most of the time. So realize that the intuition is just a tool. It's a program you've used to survive the past, or it's a program you're using in your work. If you're doing like healing work, you can control it. You just have to practice. So turn down that intuition program like a rheostat. Just turn it down, down, down to about 20 to 30%. You'll still be on the alert, but you won't be as susceptible to the rest of the world, which will be helpful for your mental health, especially. When you need the intuition, if you go to do some work and you feel the intuition will help you, then by all means turn it back up, but don't forget to turn it down when you're done. Practice this and make your practice one of smart intuition. And if you enjoyed this lesson, please hit the subscribe button and leave a comment to let me know what you would like to hear about. I'll see you on the next video.